Okay, so joining us once again, we have criminal defense attorney John Mobley joining us. Okay, so, one thing that I had been curious about leading up to jury selection is how are they going to find people who don't know R. Kelly and don't know his background and the other accusations against him and the prior charges. But apparently they have. In fact, one of the jurors thought that he was R. Crumb, a cartoonist. So what's your opinion in terms of this jury being unbiased?
Well, I don't think that's going to happen. I think it's not uncommon for jurors to lie or mislead or give inaccurate information in order to get on a jury in a case like this. Is a big case. It's high profile with a celebrity. There's a lot of salacious details that are going to come out. So I don't think it's realistic you're going to find a jury that hasn't received some information about this case. However, it's been my experience that even when you have these types of cases, that it really doesn't matter. I think ultimately, what's being in the press and what's being presented in trial are always two different things. It's been my experience that jurors will typically do the right thing when they hear the evidence.
Yeah, I mean, do you have any, I know we haven't even started with opening statements, but how do you think this is going to look, given that he was already acquitted in the past?
Well, I mean, I think the defense is going to be fairly consistent in every case, that these, instead of calling these alleged individuals victims, they're going to refer to them as groupies that were happy to jump on the R. Kelly bandwagon when he was a big, R&B star.
Yeah, well, thank you so much for your expertise. Of course, we'll hope to continue to get more of your analysis. And of course, we're continuing to follow two major trials here on Court TV, the Jinx murder trial out of California and the trial against a North Dakota chiropractor accused of quadruple murder. If you missed any parts of North Dakota versus Chad Isaac, closing arguments with Vinnie Politan will have the latest tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern. You're watching Court TV, your front row seat to justice.